So in this video we are going to study about the kinematic equations of motion. So let me just write it. We all know the first equation, v is equal to u plus at. Now how it came? First of all, we need to consider all the variables that will be used in this in the derivations of these equations. First of all is initial velocity, is equal to u, final velocity is equal to v, acceleration is equal to a, time is equal to t, displacement is equal to s. So in the first equation, v is equal to u plus at. These will be true for these variables will be true for all the four kinematic equations. So for the first, v is equal to u plus at, we all know that acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So we can write like this mathematically: a is equal to v minus u by t. So at goes there. This equation is quite simple. V is equal to u plus at. So v is equal to u plus at. It's done. Now the second one, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Now we all know that average velocity is equal to v plus u by 2, but we also know that average velocity is also equal to s by t, that is displacement by time. Average velocity can be the average of the final velocity and the initial velocity, and average velocity can also be displacement per unit time. So if we equate these two, then it comes as s by t is equal to v plus u by 2. So but in the previous equation we have found out that v is equal to u plus at. Now if we write v is equal to u plus at here, like s by t is equal to u plus at plus u by 2, s by t is equal to 2u plus at. Now the t goes on to the side, RHS, so it happens like this: 2ut plus at square by 2. Now let's divide the 2 from both of these expressions: ut plus half at square. So we have got the second equation. Now let's move on to the third one. So the third equation can be written as, wait a minute, now v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So we all know this, but how to derive it? So again, we can give it like this: v average is equal to s by t, v average is equal to v plus u by 2, and then we again equate these two, but this time there's a catch. V, in the first step only, we take t here, v plus u by 2 into t, and we wrote like this in the first equation: v is equal to u plus at, but we can write like this also: minus u by a is equal to t. Like u goes there, v minus u by a is equal to t. So you can use this as v plus u by 2 into v minus u by a. So s is equal to v square minus u square. The formula we have learnt in mathematics that in the formula is v plus a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we use it in this 2a. Now the 2a, now we take 2a to this LHS, and then it's 2as. So we can write like this: v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So we have also got the third equation. Now the fourth equation is not so important, but we often do that. Let's just see it once. So if we are the fourth is Sn is equal to u plus half a 2n minus 1. So here n is that n, so here Sn is the distance traveled in the nth second. Okay, so if we take it like so we can take it like this: the total s, and we can take like this, that Sn is equal to so we can take like this, that s is the total distance traveled in n seconds, not the nth second but the n seconds. S is the total distance traveled in n seconds, and s n minus 1 is the total distance traveled in n minus 1 seconds. Like suppose n is equal to 6, so Sn is the distance traveled in 6th second, and s is the distance traveled in and n minus 1 is the distance traveled in 5 seconds. Okay, so now we have the equation s is equal to ut plus half at square, and then so by this we can take like this: this is equal to un plus half an square. Sn minus 1 is equal to un minus 1 plus half an minus 1 whole square. So if we go by this this statement, then let's go on to the next page. Then Sn is equal to un plus half an square minus un minus 1 minus half a n minus 1 whole square. So un minus un from this one plus n square minus half n square. Now the things that are left out are plus u. Now another is half a 1 minus half a, and another is 2 minus plus a n. So this I've done quite a few step jumps, so you can do them if you want. So these are can cancel out, so we are left with u minus half a plus a n. So if we take minus half a common, rather plus halfway common, then it comes as 2n minus 1. So we have got the equation that we were looking for. Sn is equal to u plus half a to n minus 1. So if there is any doubt, then let me know in the comments, and tell me how the video was. This was just starting. I am gonna upload more videos if you guys support. Thank you.